Hi everyone, I'm going to show you today how to put the SV650 onto a paddock stand. Here it is. Before I start, please subscribe to the channel. Little button just down in the corner, that'd be awesome. Okay, so I am not the most confident person handling motorcycles, but I have got used to putting this one on the paddock stand. I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, well I'll just show you how I do it and how I got around to eventually being comfy. So the first things first, okay, this particular bike is fairly light, so you can use this method that I've gotten used to, or you can do the old try to hold method. But so what I do is I balance the bike, and I get used to balancing the bike one-handed. Okay, and then just with the backhand. So the idea is to be able to balance the bike using the back, the pillion grab rail, just here. So the bike's just sitting there. I have the bike in gear so it doesn't all fall forward when I do this, just to get the balance right. And then I just walk around to the back very gently. Okay. This is good here, holding the bike. So I'm getting used to this. And then what I'm going to do is just make sure I can drop the bike down again. And then back up. Getting used to the balance point. Okay, and walking around. See, I'm still a bit ginger. Get the paddock stand, just to get a feel for it. Then I line it up while holding back. Feeling where the point is. Then you just, there it is on the stand. I can let go. Like I said, it's a light bike, and you just push down. Voila! Making sure the stand's down, the side stand's down. You grab it, you pick it up. You get to this point, like a set point where you can let go of the handle. Then you slowly pull it back, let it go. That's it. Easy as that. Any questions or comments? Write them below. Thanks.